In this video I'll be showing you one of the staking and recovery methods that is available in the Autobet module of the Bettaway program. So the one I'm going to show today right now is the back option with the Fibonacci sequence. Now, to quickly explain what Fibonacci sequence is, it's a sequence of numbers. It's 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, etc. It goes on. Basically, you're just adding the last two numbers together to get to the next number. It'll become more evident as I do some demonstrations here. What I'm going to do is just do a simulation. So this is the quickest and easiest way, and you can do this yourself to run a few scenarios to see whether they'd work. Now, what I'm going to do first of all is change the default bet amount. Just change that to 1, and what I'm going to do is also, we've got a couple of options here. After a win, you can reset it to back to the start after a win, which would go back to 1 times just your default bet amount. Or if you've got a high strike rate, you would, which is generally associated with favourites with low odds, or just horses or dogs with low odds, you probably need to go reset the sequence back 1 or 2 places perhaps after a win, and just to recoup your losses. But what I'm going to do here, I'm going to put in odds of $3 in my simulator each time. So in a real world scenario, you'd probably be hoping to get 1 in 3 to get your money back, or at least 1 in 3 or 1 in 4 to make this viable. So let's go ahead and add to our simulator here, and you'll see here we've got it all set up with our simulator. Odds of $3, stake of 1, because that's our default bet amount. Let's say this was a loss by clicking the loss, and it says we're now at -$1. Let's add another one to the simulator, same odds, and you'll see that the bet amount is still $1, because that's the Fibonacci sequence is 1, 1, 2, so the next one will be $2. And we go ahead and add another one, and let's say that also lost. Okay, so the next one is $3. So we'll add another one. Now by this stage you'd probably hope that we get a winner, so we're going to go for a little bit worse case scenario than that and have another loss, and now we're up to $5. Now let's add one more to the simulator, and let's put this in as a win and see what happens. At the moment we're at -7, we're betting $5, put that in as a win, and we're now at +$3. So you can see that using this staking method and recovery method, what it does is we've actually got less winners. We've got 1 in 5 at the odds of $3. So if we were at level stakes, we'd be still behind, but because of the Fibonacci sequence, we're now actually in profit territory.